Out here in Center Grove today, as you can see behind me, we have another full roof replacement underway. This roof was paid for by the homeowner's insurance provider for storm damage. As many of you know, the June 25th tornadoes came through and pretty much flattened this whole community. So we're trying to help rebuild where we can. Take a walk with me, I'll show you what we're doing. All of these power lines here, all the way down Travis Road, actually came down. So we couldn't even access this when we were out here tarping. As you can see, a lot of the windows were busted out. This road really took the brunt of the tornado. A lot of structural damage. As you can see, all of the homes, a lot of windborne debris. A lot of the windows, the seals were broke due to the house getting racked by the tornado. A lot of windborne debris. If you walk over here, I'll show you. A lot of these, the initial insurance inspection missed the windows, but as you can see, there's a lot of scrapes and scuffs. Actually, stuff like this, easy to overlook, but it wasn't this way before the storm, so it's the insurance company's responsibility to make the homeowner whole again, so all of these windows are getting replaced. Now, one thing I did want to point out, every roof we do here, ice and water shield on the perimeter, synthetic felt, which is just another layer of protection. Any penetration in the roof will be, we'll have ice and water shield installed around it. Just because your shingles didn't blow off doesn't mean you don't have damage. A lot of these homes, the shingles were lifted and then set back down, which is a wind force uplift, which does create damage, and in the future you will lose shingles. So it'd definitely be a good idea to have us inspect your roof, 317-360-ROOF, that's 7663. Give us a call, we'd like to come out, let you know if it's advantageous to file a claim and advocate on your behalf. 317-360-ROOF, we look forward to hearing from you.